Well, let's take a look at what is happening with the markets, and we start off with the JSE. Got a mostly higher handover from the Asian markets. Of course, it is the first trading day of Trump 2.0. Locally, in economic data, we did get some mining production numbers out, with that decreasing 0.9% year on year in November 2024. So we are looking at the all share, a little bit of gains, not too much, just over 0.1% on the all share. That largely coming from the Resources 10 complex, jumping almost 0.8%. Financial 15 eking out gains of almost 0.33%. But backing that overall trend is the Industrial 25, shedding almost 0.1%. Let's take a look at what is happening with the U.S. markets. Of course, those coming back online after yesterday's Martin Luther King Jr. holiday that coincided with the inauguration of Donald Trump. Of course, we did see him issuing a number of executive orders, though seeming that there was a softer tone on tariffs. And talking about softer, we did see the oil price decreasing today as Donald Trump declared a national energy emergency in the U.S. But a sea of green on that front, looking though as the Trump presidency is still market positive. The S&P 500 up almost 0.4%. The Dow carrying most of those gains with a climb there of more than 0.6%. The tech-heavy Nasdaq just 0.05% above that flat line. Let's take a look at what is happening in the European markets. Largely green there. The DAX really flat, just 0.01% below the flat line. We are seeing the CAC 40 carrying most of those gains, eking out a gain of almost 0.4%, and the FTSE 100 edging higher more than 0.25%. Let's take a look at what is happening on the currency scene. The rand remaining pretty stable. Of course, we did see it at around these levels yesterday around this time. Earlier on, it was at around 18 rand 65, but it has gained some strength, standing at 18 rand 51 against the US dollar, against the pound at 22 rand 77, and against the euro at 19 rand 25. Let's take a look at how the other currency pairs are doing, starting off with the euro dollar at 1.03, pound dollar at 1.22, and the yen just below 156 against the US dollar.